Welcome to AI Tools and Guides, your go-to channel for mastering the future with artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving into an action-packed, step-by-step adventure where you'll learn how to unlock the full potential of AI. This guide is meant for beginners who feel lost in the sea of tools, creators who want to scale content, entrepreneurs who want automation, freelancers looking to boost income. Let's begin by understanding the engine that powers it all, AI itself. Part 1. What is AI and why it's changing? Everything. Artificial intelligence is no longer futuristic. It's practical, real, accessible. In simple terms, AI is like hiring a super assistant who can write, speak, draw, animate, analyze data, and solve problems 10x faster than a human, and never sleeps. The tools we'll explore are not just techie novelties. They are saving time for small business owners, replacing $2,000-month software stacks, helping creators go viral with smart automation, enabling even school kids to launch content empires, and you can use them too, starting now. Part 2. AI Tools. Deep Dive. What they do, why they matter. We'll now break down every major tool by category, explaining what it is, what makes it powerful, who it's for, how to use it, specific examples and success stories. Key benefits. Let's start with text and content AI tools. Text and content creation tools. ChatGPT by OpenAI. What it is. ChatGPT is the backbone of the AI content movement. It can hold conversations, write documents, generate code, analyze text, and even brainstorm strategies. Use cases. Write a YouTube script in 30 seconds. Generate 10 email subject lines for a sales campaign. Ask it to summarize a 50-page PDF into a 1-minute voiceover script. Brainstorm blog topics, course outlines, or social captions. Prompt example. Act as a content strategist. Create a 3-month video schedule for a fitness coach. Why it matters? It replaces hours of creative thinking, research, and writing, freeing you to focus on delivery and results. Zapier AI, what it is. Zapier is designed for professional marketers and teams. It's more structured than ChatGPT, with templates for ads, landing pages, product descriptions, and more. Use cases. Write a full sales funnel copy. Headline, subhead, email series, develop blog posts with SEO keywords. Match your brand tone using brand voice. Features that stand out. Boss mode for command-based writing. Team collaboration tools. Integration with Surfer SEO. Benefit. Saves hundreds of dollars in copywriting costs. One company reported writing 3x more blog posts with the same team. Writesonic, what it is? An ultra-fast content writer. Best for solopreneurs and e-commerce sellers. It generates content in 25+ languages and includes ChatSonic, a real-time search-connected chatbot. Use cases. Generate hundreds of product descriptions. Write LinkedIn cold messages. Create Quora answers or Reddit replies for brand visibility. Bonus. It includes AI art generation, making it a versatile all-in-one solution. Copy.ai, what it is. Simple, intuitive tool focused on fast outputs for campaigns. Use cases. Write A/B-tested Facebook ads. Build automated welcome email sequences. Create landing page hero copy. Ideal for agencies or social media managers managing multiple clients. Image generation tools. Midjourney V6. What it is. An AI art generator that runs on Discord. It's the go-to for cinematic, surreal, high-resolution digital art. Prompt example. A futuristic African female AI engineer building a robot in a glowing lab, cinematic lighting, ultra-detailed, use cases. YouTube thumbnails. Children's book illustrations, t-shirt designs, product packaging mock-ups. Real-world benefit. Designers report creating branding visuals in under 10 minutes that would have taken 4 to 5 hours manually. DALL-E 3. What it is. OpenAI's own image generator, fully integrated into ChatGPT+. Unique power. You can now ask ChatGPT to generate and revise images conversationally. No prompt engineering needed. Use cases. Create fun cartoon versions of yourself. Visualize complex ideas for blog posts. Generate UI, UX wireframes, concept art, mascots, edge. It's beginner-friendly and doesn't require Discord or technical know-how. Canva, what it is. Canva plus AI super design speed. From presentations to social posts, Canva Magic features help non-designers create professional content. Use cases. Auto-generate social post layouts. Write and design a YouTube thumbnail in 5 minutes. Replace backgrounds, objects, or text instantly. Popular tools. Magic Write. Magic Design. Magic Edit. Benefit. You go from blank canvas to polished post in minutes. Great for content creators who hate designing. Video creation tools. Pictory.ai, what it is. Your go-to tool for faceless YouTube video creation. It turns scripts or blog posts into full videos, with stock footage, music, voiceovers, and subtitles. How it works. Paste your text. Choose a style. Let Pictory generate the video with narration and scenes. Use cases. Turn a blog post into a video. Generate quote-based TikTok shorts. Make AI-narrated tutorials and explainers why it's great. It removes 90% of the editing work and lets creators publish more videos weekly. Synthesia. What it is. Create AI avatar videos without cameras, actors, or editing. You type the script and the avatar talks it out. Use cases. Create courses. Business presentations. Client onboarding videos. Corporate internal training. Example. A freelance educator built an entire digital course in 3 days using ChatGPT, script, Canva, slides, and Synthesia, delivery. Runway MLW, what it is. The most powerful AI video editing suite available. It includes Gen 2, which lets you create video clips from pure text. Magic tools. Remove background or objects. Color grade using motion brush for animating static images. Use cases. Advanced YouTube edits. Social media reels with effects, high-end product demos, voiceover, and audio tools. 11 Labs, what it is. The most realistic AI voice synthesis tool, period. It can even clone your voice with just a 30-second sample. Use cases. Narrate YouTube videos, create audiobooks, generate dramatic voiceovers for short films. Why people love it. You can select gender, tone, mood, pacing, and it's super easy to use. Murph.ai and Lovo.ai. What they do. Professional-grade voiceover tools with emotional tones and music syncing. Use cases, training courses, animated explainer videos, corporate narration key feature. You can match the voice to the scene. Conversational, persuasive, excited, sad, calm, just like a human actor. Automation and productivity tools. Notion AI. What it is. Your all-in-one knowledge assistant. From task planning to brainstorming to summarizing, it's the second brain for digital workers. Use cases. Video content calendars. AI brainstorming for blog series. Business SOP generation. Zapier and Make What They Do. They let you connect all your favorite apps, so you never do repetitive tasks again. Use cases. Auto-post content sync. Leads from website to CRM. Auto-send emails when forms are filled. Real business impact. Zapier saves small businesses over 20 hours per month just in admin tasks. Part 3. Real-world AI workflows. You can steal and use. Now that you know the tools, let's see how they work together in powerful combinations. These workflows are real, practical, and can be implemented immediately, even if you're starting with no budget. Workflow 1. Faceless YouTube channel. Goal. Build and grow a YouTube automation channel. Tools you'll use. ChatGPT for video ideas plus script writing. Pictory to turn the script into a video. 11 Labs to narrate in a natural voice. Midjourney to design thumbnails. Canva to finalize and format designs. TubeBuddy for keyword research. Zapier to auto-post across platforms, step by step. Prompt: give me 10 viral YouTube titles for a tech channel focused on AI. Prompt: write a 2-minute script for the video titled Top 5 AI Tools You Didn't Know Existed. Paste into Pictory and select your template. Use 11 Labs to upload your own voice or choose a professional one. Excited man surrounded by AI holograms, 4K, cinematic lighting. Schedule with YouTube Studio and automate posts to social via Zapier. Benefit: this workflow lets you create high-value content with almost no technical skill, and without ever showing your face. Workflow 2. Launch a digital product with AI. Goal: build and sell a course, ebook, or template. Tools you'll use: ChatGPT to outline your product, Jasper to write sales copy, Canva for visuals and PDF or ebook formatting, Synthesia to create promo videos, Pictory to produce educational explainer clips, Gumroad or Sealer for sales, Zapier for automation. Example workflow: ask ChatGPT, create a 10-chapter outline for a course on how to grow with AI tools. Use Jasper to generate landing page copy and email sequences. Use Canva to design your ebook/lead magnet. Use Synthesia to create a 60-second promo. Automate email delivery after purchase using Zapier. Benefit: what used to take months of planning, scripting, filming, editing, and designing now takes just a few days. Workflow 3. AI-powered freelancing system. Goal: offer AI-based services to clients, even as a beginner. Tools you'll use: ChatGPT plus Jasper, content writing. Midjourney, logo and thumbnail design. Pictory, short-form video creation. 11 Labs, voiceovers. Canva, branding kits and visual presentations. Notion AI, portfolio, project planning. Services to offer: AI video script writing services. Thumbnail design using Midjourney. AI voiceover and narration. Canva AI Instagram content packs. Benefit: you're using tools to do 90% of the heavy lifting, and clients don't care how you deliver. They care about results. Part 4. How to monetize AI tools. Practical paths. AI isn't just for efficiency. It's for income. Let's break down ways to earn using the tools you've just learned. 1. Freelancing. Low cost, high return. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, and Legit are filled with buyers looking for YouTube scripts, podcast show notes, AI-generated logos, voiceover narration, product description, writing, video editing, and automation. Tip: offer a starter AI package. Script plus thumbnail plus voiceover for faceless content creators. 2. Digital products use. AI tools to create. Ebooks, written with Jasper or ChatGPT, designed in Canva Notion templates. AI-generated productivity systems. Slide decks and planners, mini courses, delivered with Synthesia avatars. Platforms to sell on: Gumroad, Sealer, Etsy, PayHip, Teachable. 3. Content creation and automation channels. YouTube automation is a huge market. Many creators never show their face, don't record their voice, don't manually edit videos, still grow to 100K plus subscribers using tools like Pictory plus 11 Labs. Real income. Channels like these monetize through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, product placement, email list building. 4. Consulting and setup services. Once you master these tools, help others implement them. Set up automation for small business. Create marketing content for local businesses. Train teams on AI tools. Offer done-for-you packages. Real value. Many businesses want to use AI, but don't know where to start. Part 5. Build your AI productivity system, blueprint. Let's tie it all together with a blueprint you can follow weekly. Your AI content system. Example: weekly workflow for YouTubers. Brainstorm topics. ChatGPT. Write full script. Jasper. Generate video. Pictory voice it. 11 Labs. Design thumbnail. Midjourney plus Canva schedule. YouTube Studio. Promote. Zapier to LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook. Repeat weekly. Refine as you grow. Part 6. Common pitfalls to avoid. Even with AI, there are traps. Thinking tools replace thinking. They don't. Ignoring prompt writing. Garbage in equals garbage out. Using only one tool for everything. Failing to double-check AI-generated facts. Waiting for perfection. Start now, refine later. Part 7. Master prompt engineering, the real skill. Great output starts with great input. Master prompts and you'll master outcomes. Prompt templates. Act as a profession. Give me outcome. Write this in the style of author brand. Summarize this for a beginner in 3 bullet points. Create a visual prompt for Midjourney that shows concept. Example: act as a startup pitch expert. Write a 5-slide pitch deck script for an AI-powered fitness tracker app. Final section. Your AI-powered future starts now. You've just completed a comprehensive 60-minute masterclass on unlocking AI tools. You now understand what AI is and why it matters. You've learned the most powerful tools and how to use them. You've seen real-world examples. You know how to build workflows and make money. You're ready to become an AI-powered creator, consultant, or business builder. What to do next? Like this video. Comment your favorite AI tool below. Subscribe to AI Tools and Guides. Share this video with a friend or community that needs it. You're not late to the AI revolution. You're right on time, and your journey just began. This is AI Tools and Guides, and I'll see you in the next video.